When talking about personalities, the researchers and practitioners have also made some sort of indicators or tests that can indicate us what kind of a personality we are. And in this video, I would like to talk about the Myers-Briggs type indicator. And as you can see, this Myers-Briggs type indicator is having some sort of four bipolar lines. So in the middle of the bipolar line is some sort of being neutral, and then you can lean towards one of the extremes. So as you can see, we have four. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the first dimension or the first axis is between extroverted or introverted. So the extroverted persons are outgoing, sociable, and introverted are quiet and shy. The second one is sensing and intuitive. So the sensing persons are practical and prefer routine. On the other hand, intuitive ones rely on unconscious processes. The third one, thinking versus feeling. So you either use reason and logic or you rely on personal values and emotions. And finally, we have judging versus perceiving, where we either prefer the world being structured and ordered or flexible and spontaneous. And to make this video a little bit more fun, I have here my colleague Bjorn, and we both did this test. It consists of 100 questions, and I'm gonna show it to you. So this was my test that I have been doing. As you can see, there are a lot of questions. Let's take a look at some. So let's say that here, you rapidly get involved in the social life of a new workplace. You either answer yes or no, depends on whether you agree or disagree with an argument. And finally, you just input your age and gender. So, Bjorn, let's see your results.
Yes. So my result for this test was that I had extrovert on 44%.
Okay, so 44% would be somewhere here. So let me use another color. So Bjorn. So here is Bjorn. So would you agree that you are outgoing and sociable?
I would hope so, yeah.
Okay, then the next axis.
I have intuitive for 25%.
25% intuitive. So you should rely on unconscious processes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what does it mean? Can you explain us?
Well, in reality, I would rather see myself on the sensing axis because I would prefer routine and practical solutions, but we'll see how it turns out.
Okay, so what's the next one?
I have feeling for 25%.
Feeling for 25%, so it's somewhere here. So that you rely on personal values and emotions, is that true?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And the final one?
And judging, 33%. Watch out.
Okay, you are judging for 33. Oh, sorry, I'm mistyping. So you prefer your world being structured and ordered?
Absolutely.
Yeah, well, when I must really agree with this one. As we are writing together the papers and some work together, you really need structure and order. Okay, let's see my result. I am just now going to press score it, and we are going to see the result. So score it, and here is the result. So I am introvert by 78%. Okay, let's type it in. So I am introvert by 78%. So 78%. So you can see the difference already here between me and Bjorn. Bjorn, would you agree that I'm shy and quiet?
Yeah, I would agree.
Okay, then let's see. I'm intuitive by 75%. So I'm intuitive by 75%.
That one I fully agree on.
So that I really rely on unconscious processes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the third one. Thinking 50%. So I am here. So do you think that I use reason and logic?
Way too much.
Okay, so you think that this one should be moved a little bit further over there. Okay, then the final one, judging 22%, so I'm somewhere over here. So we both kind of prefer our world being structured and ordered. Okay, so what? Okay, so we have Googled my result. I can see it. So what can you read about me now?
Well, I'm reading straight from your personality text here. It says, it's lonely at the top, and being one of the rarest and most strategically capable personality types, INTJs know this all too well. INTJs form just 2% of the population, and women of this personality type are especially rare, forming just 0.8% of the population.
Okay,
So you are basically a special breed, my friend.
okay, great to hear that. Well, so that is the Myers-Briggs type indicator, and we hope we have made the video a little bit more fun by showing you our results.